Well, hey there. Today I am here to show you how to make a simple hand cleansing spray using your On Guard essential oil. So this comes from the doTERRA blog book. This recipe is featured on the doTERRA blog, and so it's really easy to find if you just type in hand cleansing spray. doTERRA hand cleansing spray on Google, it'll come right up, or you can search through the doTERRA blog and find it there. Super simple to make, and the reason that I started doing this was because I'm kind of a germ freak. My background is in nursing, and I just have always been like really paranoid about germs ever since I went through microbiology in nursing school. So since then, I've always used hand sanitizer really regularly on myself and on my children. Well, as I became more aware and more educated about the dangers of the chemicals and toxins that are in our environment and in the products we use and what an effect those have on our body as we put them on our skin and they're absorbed into our body, I just wasn't comfortable using hand sanitizer to the same extent that I had been in the past. And so I wanted a natural alternative to that, because definitely when we're out at the park or when the kids hop in the car after school or when we're leaving a restaurant or whatever, I just want to have that ability to cleanse quickly on the go. But I just wasn't comfortable with the traditional hand sanitizer anymore. So enter the doTERRA hand cleansing gel. I love this because it's so simple to make and it's really effective. So here's what you're going to need. You need your On Guard essential oil. You need aloe vera gel. I like this Art Naturals brand. I found it on Amazon, super, fast shipping, Amazon Prime. Wherever you live, you may be able to just find it in your local grocery store, and that's great. But you want an organic, pure and natural, 100% aloe vera gel. And then you're going to need some water and a little spray bottle. Now the recipe calls for a 4-ounce spray bottle. I don't have that. I happen to have a 1-ounce spray bottle on hand, so I'm just going to adjust the quantity on the ingredient listing and make it for a smaller batch. And so it's super simple. Here's what we're going to do. We just need 1 teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. Now I happen to know that 3 pumps of my bottle equals 1 teaspoon, so I'm just going to do that. And then we add in 7 drops of the On Guard essential oil. And it's okay if 1 or 2 extra drops comes out. It doesn't have to be this exact perfect science, okay? I did a craft project at my kids' school where we made these hand cleansing sprays, and the kids were like, oh no, 8 drops came out, 9 drops came out. I'm like, it's okay, guys. We're not dealing with high-level drugs here, so it's okay if you get an extra drop of essential oil in there. And then you're just going to shake it up and stick a label on it. So I just have these simple Avery labels that I had laying around the house. So I write hand cleansing gel on there, or spray, excuse me, and put that on. Now this is kind of a paper label, and so what I do just to make it more resistant to getting wet or getting oily, from the kids' hands or the essential oil, is I just take some packing tape and I put a piece of tape around this bottle to cover up that label and make it more water resistant. So that is your simple hand cleansing spray. You can get all cute and crafty with your labels. That's not really my specialty in life. So this is what I do, and it, whatever works for you, but you can definitely get creative there. So I hope you enjoy making that. If you make it, you're actually going to get an extra entry in our raffle drawing. So give it a try. Let us know how it goes. I hope you enjoy having that natural alternative to your hand sanitizer. It's been awesome for our family.